Arweave has been having some fantastic luck since it previously became public. From its progressive plan to store the historical backdrop of humankind forever, the innovation of information stockpiling backing it up additionally impacted many individuals overall in its desires. The weighty amassing of Arweave tokens this year additionally proposes that the confidence in this thought will make long-haul impacts. This is likewise underlined in light of the fact that it as of now holds the position of number 80 in the top digital forms of money on the planet. Yet, is the gigantic unpredictability it has been going through for the beyond 2 months a phenomenal opportunity for going bullish pattern on our token? We should figure out the drawn-out Arweave cost expectation and become familiar with the organization. The people who win wars can rework history. Not so with Arweave convention. This new innovation means to give long-lasting stockpiling answers for its clients while utilizing the decentralized engineering to wipe out the gamble of cancellation. By coordinating individuals who need to store information with the people who have extra room, it makes a reasonable organization for data protection. This data will use blockchain innovation and use permob at the center of its engineering. What is Arweave coin? The authority site of Arweave organization says that a convention permits a client to store information for all time, reasonably with a solitary forthright expense. Utilizing a decentralized organization, it works like how Uber interfaces drivers with individuals who need transport. The Arweave convention basically coordinates individuals who need to store their information for all time with people or associations with some free hard drive space. The Arweave convention makes a permob structure like a worldwide, extremely durable trap of pages and applications put away endlessly. The permob is kept up with by its local area individuals who can contribute or get compensated for support. The permob isn't different when contrasted in the standard web. All of the substance on permob, from pictures to message, is long-lasting, recovered rapidly, and decentralized until the end of time. The organization involves R tokens for its administration, and it is totally local area possessed. It additionally works as an open-source organization. The People Group has constructed a total arrangement of exhaustive instruments and administrations that empowers a client to send off totally decentralized administrations on top of the permob. The innovation behind Arweave. The Arweave convention is controlled by an innovation called Blockweave. What sets it not the same as other blockchains is that its blocks are connected to different past blocks from the organization. This blockchain-like design permits the organization to authorize that diggers give confirmation of admittance to old information to add new blocks. The information chronicling is another standard being set by the Arweave. Through decentralization, the Arweave will actually want to hold all of the data of its permob. No verifiable data of the Arweave organization could be erased. To put it plainly, it permits history to be forever put away while guaranteeing the genuineness and honesty of the substance. Arweave specialized examination. Starting from the start of the last year, the value activity of Arweave denoted a huge bull run. Nonetheless, these cost levels were not supported throughout the following couple of months as the R cost continuously declined in a descending pattern. This slow decay took the ongoing cost of Arweave digital currency beneath its 50 days moving normal today. The cost of Arweave began a bull pursue weighty crypto market support in August 2021, sending the cost in excess of 400% upwards. This expanded the unpredictability, and the Arweave R cost remained profoundly unstable till the finish of the last year. The aggregation appropriation marker shows no critical amassing at this point, yet it ought to be noticed that the majority of the extension occurred in the principal quarter of the last year. Thus, contrasted with the overall value development of the last year, the ongoing collection isn't simply enormous. The Bollinger Group's investigation shows that high unpredictability was experienced from the outset of the last August till December 2021. In the main quarter of the last year, the Arweave R cost was exchanging sideways, and huge market support pushed the cost upwards, making an improving crypto market from January to April with its cost changes. From that point forward, the R cost shot upwards again on high unpredictability was in August, when the RSI marker began making an overbought signal. It ought to be perceived that the general strength record is best utilized in a sideways moving Arweave cryptographic money market, so it is as yet extreme to say whether the cost will stay stable for quite a while. The ongoing RSI level doesn't demonstrate any oversold or overbought signals, so for now, it is judicious to stand by. It will be a superior technique to long or short in view of the obstruction level for the Arweave. The obstruction level is $35 and the help level is $31. As per our cost forecast, it is anticipated that the Arweave cost will reach $94.59 in the following year. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 709.33%. Your current $100 speculation might ultimately depend on $809.33 in 2027 according to the projection of Wallet Financial Backer Specialists. In light of Arweave cost expectations, The Arweave cost will cross the degree of $53.48 constantly 2026. On the off chance that this cost is accomplished, according to the financial backers, one can add Arweave in their speculation portfolio as well. According to our cost expectation, the Arweave cost is estimated to reach $36.43 by the start of January 2023. The normal greatest cost is $45.54. The base cost is $30.97. As indicated by the most recent long-haul R cost figure, the Arweave cost will hit $172.20 toward the finish of 2022 and $405.94 toward the finish of 2023. As indicated by the Arweave gauge, the cost of R is supposed to reach $96 by 2023. The Arweave cost today is around $33 alongside a market cap of $1,106,452,925 and an exchanging volume of $32,820,891. The typical worth anticipated for the year 2022 is $44. The ongoing all-time high is $90.94. The ongoing absolute stockpile is 63,190,435 R, and the greatest inventory is 66 million R. Arweave Value Forecast 2022. The ongoing cost of our crypto is exchanging around $33. According to our cost estimate, the Arweave digital currency is anticipated to arrive at the very least degree of $42. In view of the cost expectations, the Arweave cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $45. The cost expectation 2022 says that the typical cost all through the year will exchange around $43. At present, the help level is around $31. Assuming that the development keeps on being something very similar, putting would be useful over the long haul. Arweave Value Forecast 2023. In view of our cost expectation and our own examination, the cost of Arweave is estimated to arrive at the very least value worth of $48 with a greatest cost of $57 in the year 2023. The Arweave estimate predicts the typical cost all through the year is supposed to exchange close $53. Arweave Value Forecast 2024. According to the information forecast models and Arweave R cost expectation, the base value level of Arweave will be $60. The most extreme cost will be $68 with a typical exchanging cost of around $65 all through 2024. Arweave Value Forecast 2025. As indicated by the specialized examination and our cost expectation for the year 2025, the base cost of Arweave will be $65 and the most extreme value level will be $80. According to the Arweave estimate, the typical cost will exchange around $74 in 2025. Putting resources into this coin according to this cost would be gainful for the financial backers in the year 2025. Arweave Value Expectation 2026. The drawn-out cost expectation model shows that the base cost of R is supposed to be $70. The greatest cost of R will be $89 while keeping up with the typical cost of $83 exchanging the year 2026, which will be exceptionally high from the ongoing cost. With this greatest cost, there is dependably an opportunity of productive gets back from a while.